Building to a crescendo all week, and very shortly it will be for real. We have all the action for you live. And welcome everyone to England's Northwest. The action soon to get underway here at Old Trafford. I'm Derek Ray, and with me here on the commentary box is Stuart Robson. And very much looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League. It's Manchester United versus Wolverhampton Wanderers.
Well, as always, I'm looking forward to this because both teams have strong aspects to their game. Both managers like to play attacking football, and we've got some good matchups all over the pitch.
This is the team Manchester United will go with.
Well, it's great to see a team playing with wingers in a 4-3-3, but they've got to be effective, both with their dribbling and their crosses. Otherwise, they'll become bit-part players.
The initial 11 for Wolves.
Well, in this 4-5-1, as you would expect, it's a very compact back four. A midfield five with a mixture of qualities and a front player who will threaten the space in behind the opposition. It looks a good team to me.
And they kick off here. Hincapié. Pervis Estupiñán. Todibo. Hincapié. Grimaldo with it. Rashford. And nicely over the top. Well, thumped clear. Bruno Fernandes. He's in an offside position. But it didn't happen for Manchester United in the last game, a defeat. They lost against Burnley. What do you expect from them today?
Well, they didn't have enough guile in that 1-0 loss away from home.
It might be. Easy save. Estupiñán. And Wolves will get the throw in. Well, nicely cut out. Well, doesn't have to do it on his own. But timely defending when it mattered. Well, Bruno Fernandes, so very talented and capable of running the show. You would imagine, Stuart, he'll figure prominently.
Well, he pulls the strings for this team. He just seems to have more time on the ball than anybody else. He can pass it, he can play little 1-2s, and he opens up the opposition time and time again.
For the owner of the blue car parked outside reception, please move it immediately. Thank you.
Josip Šutalo. Well, pass after pass, maybe they can chisel an opportunity. For the lead here. The threat was there. but no problems now. Decent position this for United to find themselves in. Dangerous ball. And the keeper taking care of the situation. Bellegarde. The high press was on, and that's a fantastic tackle. Well, sitting deep like this might be a dangerous game. Well, the attack carried promise, but petered out. Bellegarde. Take it away. Boubacar Kamara. And teammates around him. Just knocked it out of there. Jean Rickner Bellegarde. Ki-Jana Hoever. Made it a bit too easy for his opponent. And passing it through. And disappointingly, not even close to hitting the target there.
Yeah, was looking to open up his body, guide it into the corner, but he's got it all wrong. It's a poor attempt in the end.
Pervis Estupiñán. Bruno Fernandes has it. Well, there's an example of how to press high up. And a scoring update for you from Craven Cottage. Here's Alex.
It's a goal for Fulham. They've scored the opener with 27 minutes played.
Many thanks, Alex. Well, this is the home of live football, EA TV, and we have more action coming up from the Premier League for you. It's Manchester United facing Bournemouth. Decent position for Wolves to be in. But they took care of the situation defensively. Well, not giving him any breathing room. Ball lost by Wolves. Hoover. Anthony. And possibilities here. Clearance left a bit to be desired. Well, nothing untoward happened. And over the touchline for what will be a Wolves throw. Wang Hee-chan. United have it once again. Todibo. Pervis Estupiñán. Nice looking pass. And collected tidily. He had plenty to think about. Wang Hee-chan. Crossed the byline, a goal kick as a result. Ngapié. Estupiñán. And the ball back with Wolves now. And the upshot of that is offside.
Well, he needed to look elsewhere because the flag was always going to go up.
Boubacar Kamara. On to Estupiñán. Another successful intervention, winning the ball back. They've given it away. Well, that's a foul, and it sets up a free kick in a dangerous position. Trajectory necessary to get it beyond the wall. So the corner played into the box. Has to clear his lines. Grimaldo. On to Fernandes. Played into the centre. Still not clear. Well, such a high degree of difficulty, not quite in the end.
Well, how good was that? It's such a difficult piece of skill, which he made look so easy. That deserved a goal.
And there goes the whistle. That closes the book on the first half here at Old Trafford. Well, Bruno Fernandes didn't quite influence the game in the first half in the manner that we expected. I think that's fair, Stuart.
Well, it certainly wasn't his best half of football. He was slightly off the pace and he gave the ball away too easily at times. But we know he can do much better, so I'm expecting more from him in the second 45.
Underway then in the second half. And the two teams matching each other just about stride for stride. Oh, moving it nicely. And he stopped them in their tracks. And support available. Took a touch on the way out of play, so a throw-in to come. Getting in there to take it away. Jean-Rickner Bellegarde. On to Hwang. And now with Angelino. Piero Hincapié. And now with Estupiñán. And we very much hope you'll join us for more live Premier League action on EA TV. It's Wolves facing Crystal Palace. Jean-Rickner Bellegarde. Anthony. Good-looking move, and he thwarted the attack with a masterful tackle. Now, options are plenty. But a good piece of defending to bring it to an end. And United regaining possession here. Snuffing out the danger. Jean-Rickner Bellegarde. Well, sloppy in possession from Wolves. So a half an hour remaining. Wang Hee-chan. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Angelino. Well, something has happened at Craven Cottage. Let's find out exactly what. Here's Alex.
Yep, second one for Fulham. They're ahead by 2 now with 63 minutes played.
Alex, thank you very much. Might be able to produce from this position. Will the cross work out for them? Magnificent challenge to win it back. Can he take them on and beat them? Good looking move. And a goal! Now they have their opener. And now they can celebrate.
Well, here's the replay, and just look how quickly they break forward once they win the ball back. And when he gets onto it, he decides to go for power. It's a really emphatic finish, which gives the keeper no chance.
And back underway, 1-0 it is. Ermedin Demirovic. Nice looking pass. Wang Hee-chan. Encouraging from the Wolves' point of view. It might be. Element of risk there, but he's won the ball. Into the final 20 minutes. And he has options available. And credit is due for that good piece of defending. Chance maybe to use their counter-attacking ability to good effect. Well, they promised much on the break, but ultimately delivered little. Wang Hee-chan. Could be a chance. Well, let's call it a meaty effort, but certainly not accurate enough. Substitution time it is here. Angelino. Grimaldo with it. Estupinian. And the free kick awarded to Manchester United. Estupinian. Well, sitting deep here, almost inviting the pressure. More than decent this from United. But the danger averted for now. Georges Mikautadze. Bellegarde. Jean-Victor Bellegarde. Gomes. United come away with it. Georges Mikautadze. Really fine piece of defending play to break us up. Well, he's certainly not alone. Could be a chance to break here. Finally up a cul-de-sac. It's going to be United's free kick. So a personnel change then. Rashford! Well, the free kick was on target, but the goalkeeper acquitted himself magnificently to hang on to that. Well, the second half is drawing to a close, and the story is an imperfect one for United, Stuart.
Well, I think their forward play has been poor today. They've not had enough movement from the front players, and the midfield have been too safe with their passing. Unless that changes in these final few moments, they'll get nothing from this game.
A really good pass. And under pressure, that was a fine claim. Anguissa. Gomes. Georges Mikautadze. Trying to open them up. And he's made the run. And how about that for a save? That's a good pass. And they could do damage. And a goal! They lead by 2 now. And that allows them to breathe a bit more easily.
Well, just look at the setup here. It's such a clever back heel, and there's certainly no doubt about the finish. He really hits it with power and accuracy. Nothing the keeper can do about that.
Two 2-0 here, and the ball is moving again. Angelino. We've been waiting to find out. Now we know. A minimum of 3 added minutes here. Sound piece of goalkeeping. Anguissa. And playing it through. Well, it looked as though he was going to net another one, but the keeper getting in the way.
Well, that was a decent chance for his second.
The referee's whistle for full time, and here's the big story. No points at all for Manchester United.
Well, Derek, I thought it was a subpar performance from them. Just didn't look as sharp as normal, and I don't think they deserved anything from the game. They need to get a better performance in next time out.
This performance in this particular game will have impressed many people, Stuart.
Well, he scored a good goal, and if I was his coach, I certainly wouldn't be worried by him missing a couple of chances. The fact is, he was a constant threat today.
And they kick off here. And passing it through. And it crossed the byline, a goal kick as a result. Played into the centre, still not clear. Good-looking move. And a goal! Now they have their opener, and now they can celebrate. Well, let's call it a meaty effort, but certainly not accurate enough. And they could do damage. And a goal! They lead by 2 now, and that allows them to breathe a bit more easily. And they kick off here.